with you right now. It's take me like heart can speak so God splash on my.
Hi guys, welcome back to my cooking series. My name is Rashida and I am back with another video. I hope you are all doing amazing. I am doing great too. And if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. I'm very happy to have you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make this very delicious garlic butter shrimp. So this recipe is very easy. It's really self-explanatory. So I'm just going to let you watch the video and I'll see you guys later. And in the meantime, please do not forget to leave me a like on this video and share it with your loved ones. Let's get into the video. our shrimp is ready, and this is how it looks like. And I hope you see how quick and easy it is to make this garlic butter shrimp. So I hope you try it at home, and let me know in the comments if you liked it, if you tried it, and also leave me a like on this video if you liked it. You can actually switch up the recipe and add some cream if you're crazy about cream, but nevertheless it tastes delicious as well. And please don't forget to check the description box for all the information of the seasonings and the ingredients that I added. And you can also leave me some nice cooking ideas down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your loved ones, guys. And until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah.
Heart don't speak so gospel on my plate.